The 2023 Kia Niro was first shown as an eco-friendly crossover a few months ago, but only few technical details were available. Now, the South Korean manufacturer has revealed details on the attractive tiny car's powertrain, safety features, and interior kit. Outer styling is updated tiger face design language initially seen on the 2019 HabiNiro concept. Its sleek front includes heartbeat daytime running lights, while its robust back features a skid plate and plastic cladding. A pair of vertical LED taillights flank a simple tailgate design. A heartbeat-shaped tail reflector and a lower bumper with an integrated skid plate keep the car looking sleek but capable. The crossover comes in 9 colors, 6 for the C-pillars and 3 for the cladding. The Kia Niro's interior features an off-center dashboard that bends around the front passengers. It has horizontal and diagonal lines and 74 color options of ambient mood lighting. The interior comes in charcoal, medium gray, petrol, and light warm gray options. The 10.25 inches panoramic display combines the infotainment screen and digital instrument cluster. Below this is an integrated infotainment screen and climate control buttons. Also in the center console is an electronic dial type shift lever, a huge cup holder tray, and a wireless smartphone charger. The Kia Niro is 174 inches long, 71.9 inches wide, and 60.8 inches tall, with a 107.1 inches wheelbase. The hybrid electric model's trunk capacity is 15.9 cubic feet, increasing 0.6 cubic feet from the previous generation. Part of this is achieved by moving the Niro's 12-volt battery out of the wheelhouse. The Kia Niro is available as a hybrid electric, plug-in hybrid, or all-electric vehicle. All of these alternatives deliver power to the front wheels and include the brand's Green Zone Drive mode, which can switch the car to electric-only mode for zero-emissions mobility in certain scenarios.